Welcome to the Minarch Systems Operator Training video. This short presentation will show you how to operate a Minarch Systems MineSafe Standard Design Refuge Chamber with Series 4 scrubbing. Step 1. Enter chamber. Enter chamber by rotating the handles to the vertical unlock position. To secure the door, rotate the handles to the horizontal lock position. Lights and siren will automatically activate via the motion sensor. Please note, leaving the siren on in an emergency will help personnel locate the refuge chamber. If siren does not activate, turn on at switch located above door. Step 2. Check compressed air. Push the button on CAM's electronic control unit, ECU, so that blue light illuminates. Check the compressed air valve is fully in the open position. Do not adjust regulator as flow is preset. Place hand over auto muffler to feel for airflow. Step 3. Turn on air conditioning. Turn on the air conditioning system using the remote control. Or, to start the air conditioner manually, press the EO/SW button. If external power fails, set the temperature to 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius using the remote control. Step 4. Commence gas monitoring with Aura FX fixed gas monitor or manual gas sampling tubes. If you are wearing a self-rescuer, do not remove until gas monitor levels are confirmed as acceptable. Refer to the bottom of the life support settings table on the chamber wall for a guide on reading alarms and ensuring that breathing air quality is maintained. Please note, the Aura FX fixed gas monitor will periodically alarm when it detects changes in gas levels.
Carbon monoxide levels high. Commence scrubbing or check if the Markasorb CO cartridge is seated correctly.
Only alarms displaying readings outside of the acceptable gas monitor levels require attention. Remain calm. If compressed air fails or gas monitoring reads outside of acceptable gas levels, close the compressed air valve and proceed to Step 5. Start the scrubber unit. Step 5. Install Markasorb CO2 cartridges. Remove 2 Markasorb carbon dioxide cartridges from their storage location. Remove cartridges from their packaging and place on the right-hand side and center of the scrubber. The cartridges will slot into place with the rubber seals on the bottom side. Replace when the gas monitor reads CO2 as being greater than 1% or as indicated by the life support settings table located on the chamber wall. Step 6. Install Markasorb CO cartridge. Remove the Markasorb carbon monoxide cartridge from its storage location. Remove cartridge from its packaging and place on the left-hand side of the scrubber. The cartridge will slot into place with the rubber seal on the bottom side. Once installed, the Markasorb CO cartridge does not need replacing for the entire duration. Step 7. Turn scrubber unit on. Turn the scrubber unit on by pressing the Emergency Operations button on the front panel. This button is a white cross in a green square. Step 8. Install oxygen regulator. The oxygen regulator is located inside the storage container. Ensure the oxygen regulator and cylinder valve are free of oil, grease, and other contaminants before installation. Wearing the supplied gloves, fit the oxygen regulator to the oxygen cylinder and tighten. Ensure you do not over-tighten. Open the cylinder fully by rotating the valve counterclockwise. Step 9. Adjust oxygen regulator. Adjust the oxygen regulator to 0.5 liters per chamber occupant. Round up to the nearest flow rate marked on the regulator. For further information on oxygen flow rates, refer to the life support settings table on the refuge chamber wall. Using the timer and marker, record gas levels hourly on the gas level recording charts located at the rear of the Photographic Operating Procedures Manual. When all oxygen cylinders are empty, proceed to Step 10. Step 10. Remove oxygen candle and fit into holder. Ensure hands are free from oil or grease. Remove the oxygen candle and fit into the candle holder. Ensure that candle holder is positioned away from other objects. It is important that you only ignite the oxygen candle when all oxygen cylinders are empty. Warning: check steel structure for damage, evidence of oil or grease on the unit. Ensure seal has not been breached. Do not use damaged or contaminated units. Step 11. Break the tear seal. Lift the T-handle and break the tear seal to expose the ignition port. Caution: there are exposed sharp edges on the tear seal. Step 12. Remove igniter match. Remove the igniter match from the storage container. Check that the red phosphorus is in place and undamaged. Place the toggle bar in the lower position hole. Avoid contact with the red phosphorus tip while handling. Step 13. Ignite the oxygen candle. Screw the igniter match down into the ignition port until it can go no further. Do not remove the igniter match after starting. Caution: once ignited, oxygen candle generates extreme heat. Use only the supplied gloves for handling the oxygen candle once ignited. Avoid unnecessary movement. Gas testing guide. Excess carbon monoxide detected in refuge chamber with compressed air operational. If carbon monoxide level exceeds 25 ppm with the compressed air operational, isolate the compressed air supply at the ball valve and start the scrubber unit. Excess carbon dioxide detected in the refuge chamber with the scrubber unit operational. If carbon dioxide levels exceed 1% with the scrubber unit operational, remove the Markasorb CO2 cartridges from the scrubber and replace with new cartridges. Refer to the life support settings table for approximate Markasorb CO2 cartridge replacement duration. Excess carbon monoxide detected in refuge chamber with the scrubber unit operational. If carbon monoxide level exceeds 25 ppm with the scrubber unit operational, ensure the Markasorb CO cartridge has been properly placed on the scrubber tray. The cartridge will slot into place with the rubber seal on the bottom side. Excess or insufficient oxygen level in the refuge chamber with oxygen cylinders activated. If oxygen level is less than 18.5% or greater than 23%, adjust the oxygen regulator up or down 1 notch accordingly. Manual gas testing guide. Minark refuge chambers are supplied with either digital or manual gas monitoring systems. Manual gas monitoring is to be conducted hourly using a gas sampling pump and detector tubes. This must be started after confirming the compressed air ball valve is fully opened. Remove the Gas-Tech sampling pump from the storage container and from its protective case. There are 3 types of glass detector tubes. 31B tubes test the oxygen level, 2L tubes test the carbon dioxide level, and 1LC tubes test the carbon monoxide level. To begin testing the air inside the chamber, remove a 31B oxygen detector tube from the appropriate packet. Break off both ends of the detector tube by using the provided tube breaker located on the Gas-Tech sampling pump. Confirm the pump handle is fully pushed in. Then insert the detector tube into the rubber inlet in the pump with the arrow on the tube pointing towards the pump. Align the red line on the back plate with the 50 milliliter guide mark. Direct the tube end into the center of the refuge chamber and pull out the handle halfway along the guideline to the lock position. Wait until the specified sampling time has elapsed, which is approximately 1 minute. The completion of the sampling can be confirmed by the appearance of the white flow finish indicator on the handle. Unlock the handle by turning it more than 1/4 turn and restore it to the initial position. Remove the detector tube from the pump and read the sampling result. Using the marker stored in the storage container, record the results on the chart provided at the rear of the photographic operating procedures. If oxygen level reaches 23% or greater, adjust the regulator back 1 notch. If oxygen level reaches 18.5% or less, adjust the regulator up 1 notch. Repeat the above process using the 2L carbon dioxide detector tubes and a 100 milliliter stroke. The specified sampling time for CO2 is approximately 2 minutes. If carbon dioxide level reaches 1%, turn the compressed air supply off at the ball valve and start the scrubber unit. If the scrubber unit has already been activated, simply replace the Markasorb CO2 cartridges. Repeat the process using the 1LC carbon monoxide detector tubes and a 100 milliliter stroke. The specified sampling time for carbon monoxide is approximately 4 minutes. If carbon monoxide level reaches 25 ppm, turn the compressed air supply off at the ball valve and start the scrubber unit. If the scrubber unit has already been activated, check to ensure that the Markasorb CO cartridge has been properly placed on the scrubber tray. For further instructions on operating the refuge chamber, refer to the photographic operating procedures located in the Operating Procedures Manual binder. The most important thing you can do now is to make sure your refuge chamber is maintained in good operational order. So in the unfortunate event you need to use the chamber, you can feel safe knowing that it is ready for use. This can be accomplished through weekly checks and regular servicing, which can be carried out by Mynarch Systems. For further details, or if you have any queries regarding the operation of a refuge chamber, please contact Mynarch Systems or visit the website at www.mynarch.com.